We're out here today. We got this good permission house from the 1800s. Sheryl's over there. I'm over here in this hole. That's a very, very old bolt with a square head nut. How about that? We're gonna find something, I hope. Hope to God, yes. I'm digging down in this hole here. It's a shovel handle, Sheryl says, right?
Yeah, that's an old shovel.
Is it old?
Also must be iron.
It's solid iron. Everything's iron about it.
Yeah.
7 miles down the road there was a Civil War skirmish where we're at. Huh. That's really old shovel handle. I'll clean that up later and we'll check it out.
I got old scissors.
Put the sun over here.
Old scissors. And I just dug a horseshoe. That was a little horse. Yeah.
That's really old.
Yeah. I wonder how old this house is. We didn't ask, did we?
I don't know, but this is Civil War era stuff here. Could be.
Could be a
Great
general
find.
horseshoe.
Great find.
Oh, we gotta go this way for good luck.
Got a nice repeatable high tone here. Gonna go for it. Sounded good, but it's one of them things with a doohickey on it. Okay. I just found 4 or 5 nails. Sheryl got
This is copper. It's gotta be.
Got a what? What you got?
Look, is it copper?
That's copper. Got fancy on it.
That is.
Is that doorknob?
Yeah.
Let me see the top of it.
Pretty cool. Rang up in 82, 85, 82. You got it in the sun?
It's better this way.
Oh.
What a beautiful design.
It is.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, you whipped my ass again today, ain't you?
Yeah.
A little ways from the house. Back out in the field, the hole here. My first coin of the day. Yeah, buddy. Modern memorial. How can that be? Just dug well, at first I thought it was a bolt. But it's not a bolt. Some kind of a pin or something. Not sure. Now, that's what it is right there. What you got?
Gun.
3rd week in a row.
But I don't know if it's real or not. I mean, look at it. It's iron, so I don't know.
I don't know.
What do you think? It looks like bullets can go up in there.
I don't know.
Pretty cool. How many weeks?
3 weeks
3 weeks.
in a row. She's found a gun.
How cool.
Oh,
Let's go get another one.
yeah, next week. I finally dug something good today. Yes, in the hole. I got a horseshoe today. Sheryl got one.
You know, it looks like there was a hitching post over there.
We'll head that way.
Yeah.
That's definitely an old horseshoe. It's still got nail in it.
It does?
Yeah, right there. How about that? Yeah. Out here by the road, the house in the background, and I found another horseshoe. It's a little baby one. That's 2 for me today. 1 right there. And 1 right there. 2 horseshoes in 1 day for me. All right. That's so cool. Dug up, flipped the plug over, and there's a chain here. It's in the ground. Huh. I'm gonna stand up, pull this out. Oh, that's a hell of a chain. About 4 foot long. Coil it up, put it in a goodie bag. Yeah. Just dug up a cool old truck. Toy truck. How cool is that? Nice. Sheryl found a few coins. What you got?
I got a necklace medallion thing, a nickel, a quarter, a crusty old penny, and 2 dimes. Just some clown.
This is pretty cool. There's nothing on the back of it though, is there?
No,
Just,
there's nothing on there. I cleaned it up, so it wasn't like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing on the back. I found that over there in the corner.
There's my 2 horseshoes today. Cheryl's doorknob she found, my handle, the gun she found, and her horseshoe.
And the scissors.
Old scissors. She got a couple old cars too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.